Hi beavers, hi monkeys, how are you? We missed you very much. We were so happy to see you on Zoom. We missed your little faces. So today we're going to be taking a quick review about our word family, and we're taking a new word family. So let's start with our review. These were the families we took. We took the at family, we took the app family, we took the am family, we took the an family, ag family, ad family, et family, and en family. Let's see some of the words that we came up with together. So at, cat, rat, mat. App, it's cap, map, nap. Am, we came up with ram, jam, sam. An family, man, van, tan. Ag family, bag, tag, rag. At family, mad, sad, bad. Et family, wet, pet, met. The en family, ten, pen, and men. You can come up with more if you would like. And now we're going to be taking a new family. We're going to be adding a new member to the family. It's the N family. N. Okay? So remember in class, we used to take these passages and we used to read them, and we used to use our little yellow highlighters to highlight the words that end with N. But in this case, I want you to get a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen, a crayon, whatever you guys like. And I want you to read the passage and write down all the words that end with N. I will read with you the passage and then you can read it by yourself. Ken has a pen. Ben is 10. Jen has 10 hens. Get the hen. Do you see Jen? I have a pen. Ken is a hen. So now your job is to read it again, and then you have to write all the words ending with N. And then your second job is, remember also we did this in class, we used to read this passage and then we had to draw what was said in the passage, okay? So let's read it together. Ned and Ted. So obviously there is a boy named Ned and a boy named Ted. Ned has a big red bed. Ted has a little red bed. Ted and Ned are fed and led to bed. So here on your piece of paper, not in this piece of paper, in your own piece of paper, you can get colors and pencils, and then what we're going to draw, we're going to draw Ned and Ted, and then we're going to draw a big red bed, and then we're going to draw a little red bed, and then they are fed and led to bed. Led means someone is taking them to bed, like your mommy and daddy lead you to the bed or show you the way to the bed. Okay, so this is the end of our ed family. I hope you enjoy this activity. Stay tuned because there are so many things coming up your way. We miss you guys.